This Clemens Marine right by my job. This boat definitely has been catching my eye. It's a NorthRiver. I believe it's a 31. Yeah, 31 SXL. Wow, what a massive boat. This thing is awesome. Yes, I love my Duckworth, but you know, I like a lot of boats, so not so bad. Oh, looks like Rod's definitely getting hooked up, so congratulations, Rod, whoever you are. Nice triple axle trailer. NorthRiver. Looks like it has the side door, which is cool. Has all the rocket launchers on there. This here is what caught my eye. Is look at those engines. Twin 425s. Offshore engines. Those are incredible. I would definitely wouldn't mind having those on the back of my boat. Or maybe just put this boat on the back of my truck and take off. But incredible looking boat. Looks like it's got the rear helm, joystick controller on the back. I don't know, should I jump up there? It's not my boat. Probably not. Yeah, maybe so. We're gonna check it out. Guys said I could check it out, so Rod, I'm gonna be nice. Look at the drains in the deck. That's awesome. Some ouch, ooh, ouch. Ooh, that aluminum is hot. Rear helm, Yamaha gauges. Those are all electronic, I'm sure. I'm sure they have it locked up. Yeah, of course it's locked up. All right, Rod, doing a walkthrough on your boat. Beautiful boat. Hope you get a chance to watch this video. Promise you I'm not hurting anything. Look at that, twin seats up here. Huge table back here. Got a little head there, which is fine. Got a little wall of stove. I'm sure he's got a heater on here. Looks like an inverter, so that's cool. Got an inverter to run everything. Again, Yamaha gauges, electronic gauges. Look at that, joystick. That would definitely be a big help docking a boat like this. Lots of room up there. Looks like it's got sea deck on the flooring. That's pretty cool. That's cool right there. I like that. Suspension seats. Lots of drawers. Lots of cabinets. Yeah, this is a nice boat. So, just figured I'd drop by and show it to you guys. I'm sure you guys enjoy it too. Now this here is the best view in the house. Twin V8 425 XTO offshore engines. Beautiful. Nice big rails in there. Got rod holders. I'm sure there's a bunch of storage underneath that cardboard. But awesome boat. Oops, unlatch the door. Oh wow. Lots of latches. There's a double latch on the door, that's cool. Super strong frame around the door. Great choice, Rod. Love it. And there's another boat that I get requests to do a walkthrough on and a walk around, but they're working on it, so I really can't. And it's a sold boat, but well, you know what? I wouldn't be mad if I had this boat. This is an awesome looking little boat. Would definitely be easy to maneuver by yourself. What? Oh, maybe Rod's the salesperson. So I guess Rod didn't buy it. Maybe Rod sold it. Unless Rod bought 2 boats. Definitely a nice boat there. So we're out of here. I gotta go fishing.